with your boy. Hopefully, you knew you was gonna be locked in with me. Let's see, we got one, two, three, four, which leaves four seeds. Three, four. All right, bet of the BA. Bet. All right, one, two, three, four, all of them in one swoop. Damn, we're getting good at this. Hang on, lady. We going for a ride. Alright, so now we got those dropped. Queen, Beauty, Rose, you're welcome. You know how we do. We always got some networking to do. Hell, you ain't just gonna watch me put in work. You came to put in some work yourself. Shouts out to keeping it moving and being in the chats, because you know how we do. We do it. Anyways, let's see. I can go ahead and be on some BS today. Here. That one. Take that out right there on that one. Yes, I did just top. Because those are the Blue Banner OG. But given they are the taller of the two, that's why I want to go ahead and get their energy focused on them smaller secondary tops it's already started to produce. So, it'll get bushy and squat. Bushy and squat, right? Because I see how I grew the first one, and you know, similarly growing that too. So that'll be good because that means they'll go in a flower fast, given that I have a full 10 available, right? Yeah, right. He kind of know what he doing as far as the processing, right? Hell, if I got short ladies ready, I know how to make them look squatty, right? Squat and give me something. Give me something. Boom. Those two are top though, and we still got times three little dudes. They starting to catch up though. Hell, so I could probably get those two ready to go into flower together in tent two. That'd be funny. One planting tent one and two planting tent two. Hey, that's how it be like sometimes. That'll be the start of March though. Hell, because it's time for them Saints to come marching in. Oh, when the Saints come marching in. Come March, we're going to be marching in a lot of things because, we got to get ready for that next round of cultivation authorization, get that micro license. That's 250 plants. I need that, so we're gonna eat that. You dig? But like I said, we got a long list of genetics from our homie Bear Miller. We got that blueberry muffin. Shouts out to that all fem autos because that's what he crossed with. You see what I'm saying? So we got the 4K, 4G, double grape, blackberry Kush, Skunk One, Banana Strawberry, Forbidden Fruit, Blue Amnesia, White Widow crossed with Sweet Tooth, Zoe Skittles, and Sugar Black Rose. That's all those labels where I was saying earlier. Shouts out to the big homie Bear Miller. Y'all know to go check him out over at Son of Odin Seed Company. You did get. I zoomed right there on the logo.